Hello and welcome to Market Minds. This is 22nd June 2025 and I'm giving my prediction for Nifty for 23rd June 2025. On the backdrop of America attacking Iran nuclear sites and GIF Nifty showing 107 points down, I'm giving my prediction for Nifty 50. Now आप लोग जानते हैं कि मैं पूरा prediction option chain के ऊपर बेस करके बताता हूँ. So in spite of this global risk and GIF Nifty operating 107 points down, showing 107 points down, मैं अपना prediction फिर भी ऑप्शन चेन के ऊपर ही बेस करके बताऊंगा. तो पहला चीज़ है हम लोग जो ओपन इंटरेस्ट है उसको देखते हैं. तो ओपन इंटरेस्ट ये बता रहा है कि पुट हैवी है और पुट साइड में बहुत सारा कॉल राइटिंग हुआ है 25,000, 25,900, 24,900 में और 24,800 में बहुत सारा कॉल राइटिंग हुआ है. लेकिन पुट राइटिंग हुआ है, सॉरी पुट राइटिंग हुआ है. तो उसके बाद भी 25,000 और 25,500 पे भी कॉल राइटिंग हुआ है. लेकिन सिंस इट इज़ पुट हैवी एंड वी कैन सी इन चेंज ऑफ ओपन इंटरेस्ट लॉट ऑफ पुट राइटिंग, lot of put writing, so we can say there is a bullish bias which is showing support at 25,000 and resistance at 25,500 according to the option chain. Now let us go to the Nifty option chains where we analyze the IV, and as we analyze the IV on both call side and put side, we can see that the call IVs are very stable. And put IVs are also stable, but call IVs are very stable, which means that ATM call IV is more than OTM call IV, OTM call IV. Sometimes it is good for the market because it shows that the traders are willing to pay more for ATM call, which might take the market more higher. And when ATM calls becomes OTM calls, and again that particular OTM calls, IV becomes higher than OTM calls, then the rally sometimes continues. So we have to analyze in that way. So overall, call IV is less than put IV, which is good for the market. That is, call IV is not expensive, and the rally might continue according to this IV chart. But on the other hand, if you look at put IV, in lower puts, I mean in OTM puts around 24,800, it is very elevated. Put IV is high. So when we see that put IV is high, we know that some market participants are buying those puts in order to protect their longs. So वो लोग जो बुलिश साइड में ट्रेड करके गया है उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए नीचे की तरफ वो लोग पुट बाय करके गया है. तो it is kind of a mixed kind of a option chain where there is positions on the bullish side and also positions on the bearish side. So market participants are expecting some kind of risk. They are bullish, but they are protecting their longs by buying puts on the bearish side. So that is quite evident in the options IV chain. Next we go, if we look at the option chain, the max pain is at 24,800, which is like very far away from the current market price, which is almost 300 points away, which is not good. That is one drawback of this option change. And the PCR is 1.18 level, almost overbought. It might become overbought very soon, or it might drop down. Let's see what happens on Monday. So delta is neutral. So gamma, as far as gamma is concerned, is expecting moderate volatility swings. Theta is very high and Vega showing little bit more sensitivity to the implied volatility. So what I'm expecting in the market is, my prediction is that it is 55% bullish. For me, 55% chance of a bullish upside because of put writing and put IV greater than call IV. But if we take a bullish trade, the best way to take a bullish trade would be around 25,000, because the market makers would be willing to protect their short gamma around 25,000. What that means is, as soon as it comes to 25,000, they would be willing to protect their short gamma, and and they will buy futures to protect their short gamma. As soon as that happens, the market will rise up, and the trader should also watch for max pain to come up and around 25,000. If the max pain come up around 25,000 and the market makers buy futures to protect their short gamma, the market would rise up, probably clear 5,116, which is the near term high, and then rise up to 5,300 and beyond. So better to trade above 25,116 and Nifty futures to come down, Nifty to come down to 25,000, protect the short gamma, make a reversal from that. That would be the best trade. And also the max pain to rise up to 25,000. In case of bearish, it is 25% I am giving. Bearish prediction is 25% because of rising put IV and OTM at OTM, and there is a tail risk because of that. So that would activate below 25,000. This bearish 25% would get activated below 25,000, and if the max pain doesn't rise up to 25,000, if the max pain doesn't rise up to 25,000, then what happens? And if there is this global risk phenomenon, if it comes down below 25,000, this 24,800 max pain level gets activated and market might come down to 24,800. So I am giving 25% chance to bearish, and sideways is 20% because of again max pains, and market might then revolve around 24,800 and 25,100. So and overall the gamma is also moderate and delta is neutral. Because of this, there is a 20% chance that the market might remain sideways. Thank you very much. Join me again on this kind of Nifty prediction, and please like and subscribe my channel.